Uh, so, hello and welcome all of you to India's biggest knowledge sharing series, 12th session by one of our veteran faculty, Kanchan Karunakarji. The topic of today is good to great, and I just would like to say two things about today's faculty. Number one is that uh, she is a multipreneur, number one, and number two is that uh, I have always seen that she has always worked towards raising her bar step by step and creating milestones for herself and going ahead and achieving it. And why am I saying this? And why entire team of Metaversity has this impression about her that you also will get to see once you will listen to her in today's session, Good to Great. So over to you, Kanchanji, and the
Thank
session
you,
is
Ankit.
all yours. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. So I'll go ahead with my session. Thank you so much. Yeah. Good morning, all of you. It's my honor and privilege to be here in front of you talking about my favorite topic, that's good to great. So, are you ready to listen to me right in the morning? Let's go ahead. Okay. There's a statement or a quote I would like to start with. That is, when you are good at something, you will tell everyone. When you're great at something, they will tell you. The world will tell you. The people will tell you. So, in short, what the crux of the whole thing is that you need to be great, not good. So it's a journey from being good to being great. So we need to be great so that people talk about us. We don't need to say, oh, I'm great at this, or I'm good at this, or I'm good at something. No. People will tell you, the word will spread, and you want to be known in the world, in the society, and by your greatness. So this is what we aim for. So now I say good is the enemy of great. What do I mean by that? What I mean by that is we all are so complacent. We all feel अच्छा ठीक है, चलता है attitude, good है, हम अच्छे हैं, ठीक है, it's fine, life is going good, great. भगवान का दिया हुआ सब कुछ है. So, we become so complacent, we feel it's fine, good is fine. But if you are stuck at good, or if your mindset is with good, you don't aim to become great. So to become great, you have to let go good, let go about the complacency, and that's how you become great. Now I have a question for you. I'm saying, or I believe in this, that you have to be great, not good. And I'm embarking on that journey with you. And there's a question, is it magic? क्या ये जादू से हो सकता है या हमें कुछ करना पड़ेगा? What is this? Is it a magic? No. No, my dear friends, it's not magic. It's the passion inside you. You need to be passionate. You need to have a purpose in life कि मुझे क्या करना है, मुझे समाज के लिए क्या करना है, what I want to be, what is my purpose in life. And passionate अगर आप हैं और आपके पास एक purpose है, तो आप action लेते हैं. So it's a passion, it's a purpose, and it's an action. So it's a cumulative of everything that makes you a great person. Now, what greatness is not? क्या नहीं है greatness? ये रातों रात की सफलता कि आज आप कुछ थे, आज एक नीचे वाले एक पायदान पे हैं और suddenly you become, you go into a next step, in a big way. I don't think that is, a success. It's not overnight success. रातों रात आपको सफलता मिलने वाली नहीं है. आपको मेहनत करनी है. You literally have to work hard to become great. It's not just, खरीदी हुई चीज है या किसी और के कंधे पे चढ़कर आप सक्सेस प्राप्त कर ले या you become great. No, it's not that. It's not about overnight success. It's not a flashes of excellence. By flashes I mean आज कर लिया, 4 दिन चुप बैठे, 10 दिन चुप बैठे, फिर 2 दिन कर लिया. No, it's a continuous process. It's not a flashing things. आज आपने कुछ किया, forget about it. No, you have to be consistent. I'll talk about the consistency and the discipline later. It's not instant. Obviously, जो मैंने 2 बातें आपको कही हैं कि धीरे धीरे आपको आगे बढ़ना है, तो obviously it's not instant. So the greatness is earned. I believe in that कि आप किसी सडनली आप कहें कि मैं ग्रेटनेस पे के कुछ काम मैंने कर दिए हैं या कुछ चीजें कुछ बातें ऐसी हो गई मेरी जिंदगी में, आई फील ग्रेट अबाउट इट. नो, यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड. एंड आपने चॉकलेट की एड सुनी होगी, बोर्नविल चॉकलेट की एड है जिसमें कहते हैं यू हैव टू अर्न इट. एंड जब आप अर्न करते हो, जब मेहनत करके उसका फल मिलता है और फिर आपको लगता है कि वाओ, आई डिजर्व इट. That's the power of greatness when it is earned, because it's not instant, because it's not flashes of excellence, because it's not an overnight success. That is what greatness is all about. I'll start with this small little talk. I've taken it from the book 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. It says, would you tell me, please, which way I ought to go from here? Asked Alice. That depends a good deal on where you want to go, said the cat. I don't much care, said Alice. Then it doesn't matter which way you go, replied the cat. This is from Alice Adventures in Wonderland. अब आप कहते होंगे या आप सोच रहे होंगे इसका हमारे ग्रेटनेस से क्या मतलब है. सो इसका यही मतलब है कि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि मुझे जाना कहाँ है, मुझे पहुंचना कहाँ है. What is my vision? What is my mission in life? What is my goal? What goals I've set for myself? What is the mission? What is the vision I visualize? What I have in mind? So we have to have our vision, mission, and goals in place. When I talk about vision, you have to have a clear, crystal clear vision कि आप कहाँ आपको पहुंचना है और आप कहाँ हैं. That envision, that power of vision you have to have. Then, जैसे मैंने पिछली स्लाइड में बताया कि ये इंस्टेंट नहीं है. इसका मतलब you have to work on your vision every day, and you have to measure your baby steps कि मैंने कहाँ से शुरू किया था और कहाँ मैं पहुंच रहा हूँ या पहुंच रही हूँ. Now, talking about the vision and mission and the goals, this is related to that. Use your imaginations and write the new vision. Like आप क्या इमेजिन करती हो, आपने क्या सोचा है कि जिंदगी में मुझे क्या और करना है. What is that I lack? Where do I want to reach? So if you imagine yourself, then you can write your vision, you can plan your vision, and you can work on your vision. That is one which represents योर वैल्यू. ठीक है, विजन तो आपने लिख दिया, लेकिन आपने किसी की किताब से उठा के या किसी और व्यक्ति के, किसी और शख्स के जिंदगी से उठा के विजन आपने लगा ली और लिख लिया. दैट डजंट वर्क. आपके वैल्यूज को, जो आपके संस्कार हैं, जो आपके वैल्यूज हैं बचपन के, या आपको जो सिखाया गया है, जो में आप स्ट्रांगली बिलीव करते हो, आपके वो जो मिशन है, आपकी जो वैल्यूज हैं, आपके गोल्स हैं, आपका विजन है, it has to be all aligned together, right? Then they are the ones which are based on correct principles. If the principles are right, अगर आपने सही सीढ़ी रखी है तो आप सही दिशा में पहुंचोगे. That is the reason we always talk about the compass, because compass takes you to the right direction, right? So they have to be the right principles. गलत principles के ऊपर रख के अगर आपने सफलता प्राप्त कर ली है तो वो सफलता नहीं है. कहीं ना कहीं फ्यूचर में जाके आपके मन को वो जरूर झंझोड़ेगी, you know. So the principles have to be correct, right principles, and the principles that give our values meaning, because as I said earlier, it's all interconnected. Your values, your principles, your goals, your vision, your mission, your values. So they have to give values to our meaning. To do that, to do that, you know, to reach there, we have to focus on certain things, you know, that is all along. The number one is character. When I talk about character, I say what you want to be. Do you want to be a great leader? You want to be a great social worker? You want to be a great influencer? What you want to be? You want to, what kind of a trait you want to depict, you know, from your character. Then the contributions and achievements, क्या आप करना चाहते हो, आप दुनिया के लिए, समाज के लिए, जब आप नहीं है कल, आप क्या छोड़ के जाना चाहते हो. Obviously when Kanchan is no more, I want people, I want my family members, I want my friends, I want the society to say something about me. Oh, she was this kind of a person, this was her contribution to the society, you know. uh, Values, values are that influence everything you do. जो भी आपने बेबी स्टेप लिए हैं, जो भी आपने आगे कदम उठाए हैं, वो आपके वैल्यूज को अलाइंड करके हुए आपको आगे बढ़ना है. So that is what the focus is all about, your focus. Now, इसके फायदे क्या हैं? अगर हम ये सब करते हैं तो इसके फायदे क्या हैं? ठीक है, कहने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि I want to be great, from good to great, लेकिन फायदे क्या हैं? It clarifies what is important to you, because जो आपके लिए important नहीं है, आप उसको अपनी दुनिया से, अपनी नजरों से परे कर देंगे, and you will focus on the things, on those things that will take you ahead to become great. Okay, so it provides focus, it guides your day-to-day decisions. Obviously, if I have a goal and I have a clear vision कि मुझे क्या करना है, तो मुझे ये पता है कि मुझे ये नहीं करना है. जब वो मुझे नहीं करना है, तो वो मेरे डिसीजन सुबह से मेरे, when I start my day or maybe a day in advance, a night before, I plan tomorrow I have to do these things, to-do lists. These are the things I'm going to do tomorrow. You know, so आपके रेगुलरली ऑन योर डेली बेसिस जो आपके डे टू डे डिसीजंस हैं, उसको बहुत प्रभावित करता है. इसका फायदा ये है. And then it gives you a greater sense of meaning and purpose in life, because you know, जो आपका विजन है, जो आपने सोचा है, उसके साथ ये पर्पस जो है, जो आपका मीनिंग है, वो बहुत मायने रखता है, वो इसके साथ जुड़ जाता है, और ये आपका बहुत बड़ा फायदा है. You know, so this is why we need to do that. So, you know, I always say reach for the stars. When I say reach for the stars, because हमें लगता है यही शायद जिंदगी में हमारे लिए है, शायद यही किस्मत है, शायद यही लिखा है. I think I'm fine with this. Why can't we reach for the stars? You know, there's a beautiful song. I'm going to, you know, make you listen to this song. Just a minute. Just a small 2 lines. सी, वैसे तो कह रहा है चांद तारे तोड़ लाऊं, और फिर कहता है बस इतना सा बहुत है. मतलब सोच इतनी ऊंची है, हौसले इतने बुलंद हैं, इतनी बड़ी बात कह गया कि मुझे तो चांद तारों तक पहुंचना है. मतलब my focus is, you know, big. I have big dreams in my eyes. लेकिन फिर भी ये कहता है बस इतनी सी बात है, मतलब आपके हौसले बुलंद हैं, आप कर सकते हो. That is what it means. So, reach for the stars, reach for the bigger things, and ye kahiye, koi baat nahi. This is nothing great. I can do it because I have the potential. So reach for the stars is, this is a metaphor for achieving great things, and yet you feel, yes, it is nothing big. I can do it. It's possible, right? So, to do that, the number one thing I will tell you, there are only 9 to 10 points. I've not written down with numbers. Okay, number one this, number two that. It's just in a story format, or maybe it's just in a format where you just start grasping very, very easily. So the number one, the first one is find your best arena. आपकी काबिलियत, आपकी स्पेशलिटी, आपकी खासियत क्या है? When we go to the restaurants, we know, okay, we are going to eat Chinese, we are going to eat Italian today, we are going to eat, Mughlai. So we know कि ये restaurant ये expertise रखता है, या ये shop ये expertise के goods रखती है. Same way, इसी तरह से आपको अपने बारे में ये जानना है कि मेरे में वो कौन सी एक्सपर्टीज है. व्हाट इज दैट आई एम गुड एट. बिकॉज जब आप गुड हो वहां से आप बेस्ट पे जाओगे, बिकॉज यू हैव टू फोकस एंड हार्नेस that skill. Find where you can play your best game. Take your skills to the place where they make the most impact तब आएगा जब आप वो काम अपने दिल से करोगे, जब आपको पता है कि yes, I'm best at it, I can do it. I'll give you one example of my daughter. She was working with a multinational fashion design magazine. She worked for 3 years, 3.5 years, and then somehow everything was good, fantastic job. She lives in Mumbai, beautiful place, everything fine about it. But somewhere down the line, in her mind, she knew कि ये मेरा best field नहीं है, ये मेरा, I'm not in my element. So she quit on 31st March. She decided to become a yoga instructor, a health fitness. She's a health fitness freak. She's she's become a fitness coach, health and wellness and fitness coach. So from March onwards, she started working hard on herself. She always had that interest, but she was doing it for herself. She never thought of opting for a career. So this is what she felt, and I said, why not? Because this is your calling. I'm sure you're going to give your best shot here. So do that. Find your best arena. Envision the end. When I say envision the end, what do I mean with the end? That is, see, जब दर्जी कपड़ा काटता है तो दर्जी को पता है कि ये this is a piece of cloth and I'm going to stitch a beautiful overcoat for a handsome person. So he knows कि ये ओवरकोट ऐसे बनने वाला है, इसमें इस तरह के बटन लगने वाले हैं, इसमें इसके स्टिचिंग का स्टाइल ये होगा. So he already knows about it. When you buy a plot, when you buy a property, कि ये मेरा यहाँ पर एक बंगला होगा, यहाँ पर एक I'm going to plant a champa tree, I'm going to have an entrance here, my car will be parked here, I'll have a puja room here. So you already know it. But जिंदगी का क्या? What about your life? हम हर चीज के बारे में सोचते हैं. We think of a holiday plan and oh wow, we are going to go to this place. हम वहाँ पर ये करेंगे, हम वहाँ पर ये खाएंगे, हम वहाँ पे ये सब जगह देखेंगे. We are going to roam around here, look for new places. But the most important thing is that you have to apply the same thing onto your life. कि जिंदगी का क्या है, जिंदगी में मुझे क्या करना है. So envision the end, कि end में मुझे ये, जब मेरी जिंदगी के आखिरी दिन होंगे या मेरी जिंदगी के बारे में अगर कुछ कहीं किताब लिखी जाएगी या मुझे कोई मेरी जिंदगी के बारे में बात करे, कोई क्यों, मैं अपनी जिंदगी के बारे में बात करूं, तो मैं ये कह सकती हूँ, yes, I had decided this 20 years ago, I decided this 30 years ago. So you have to plan that from now. What is going to be the end? So become a dream machine. सपने लो. सपने लेने में क्या है? ये लोग कहते हैं नहीं, सपने नहीं लेने चाहिए. आप अगर सपने ही नहीं लेंगे तो सपनों को साकार कैसे करोगे? So you have to dream, you know, you have to dream big. So become a dream machine. Turn your dreams loose. उनको आप आगे, उनको आगे ले जाने की कोशिश करिए. ड्रीम्स को जीने की कोशिश करिए. उनमें जान लेके आइए और आगे बढ़िए अपने सपनों के साथ. सपनों को साकार करिए. सो envision the end कि यस, आज मैं ये करूंगी तो कल मैं ये बनूंगी. Right? So envision the end. Then connect with your passion. If you are passionate about something, about what you do, like for me now, since last 20 years, I am so passionate about my training. Whatever problems I have in terms of my, physical health or, mental health or, anything, goes around, it does not matter when it comes to, training, when it comes to doing a program or doing something of this sort, you know because I'm so passionate about it. Nothing matters because it's coming straight from my heart. I'm so passionate about it. So whatever you do, have that passion in you, be compassionate, and then you see how the results follow. There's another thing I would like to read. Find what you are passionate about and be brave enough to pursue it as your life's work. This is said by Michelle Tromolacchio, editor-in-chief, Yahoo Health. So he talks about the same thing कि जिसके बारे में आप passionate हैं, उसके बारे में जानिए, know yourself, and उसको लेके आगे बढ़िए. Again, the same thing. Greatness के लिए one pointed attention होनी चाहिए. I have shown a picture of Arjuna here, जिन्होंने जब मछली की आंख को भेदा था, with that one pointed attention, if you do that, you will reach your goal. So when the arrow is released, the muscular energy of the archer is transferred to a dynamic energy of arrow. तो जब dynamic energy आपकी तब बनेगी जब आपका attention is one pointed, जहां आपका goal है. You have already envisioned that goal. You have already seen, you have already seen that end in your mind. So when you know that is the end, आपकी सारी energies उसको पूरा करने के लिए आगे जा रही हैं. So this is one pointed attention. The same thing is the Martina Navratilova, the sports psychologist, and her coach James Lear. He believed in the same attention, and that's how he coached her, for one pointed attention. Then taking action. कहते हैं ना, वो एक कहावत है कि जो बहुत बोलता है वो डिलीवर नहीं करता है. So बोलो कम और करो ज्यादा. There's the same thing. Too much verbalization takes energy from our real work. कि मुझे ये करना है, मुझे वो करना है. कहना क्यों है, करके दिखाओ ना. Do it. Don't just say it. Because जब आप करोगे तो दुनिया आपके बारे में बात करेगी. This is how I started my presentation. The first slide was that. We want people to talk about us. We don't need to talk about, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that. My choice in everything is to say nothing and go do it. This is CEO of IBM, he said. Makes sense, right? So to do that, when we talked about the earlier point, उसके लिए हमको action भी लेना जरूरी है, right? So action लोगे तो आप आगे बढ़ोगे, right? Action leads to faster learning. लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि action लो और सीधा आप दौड़ना शुरू कर दो. Start taking baby steps because वो भी मैंने आपको second या third slide में बताया था कि it's not an instant thing. Greatness is not that instant coffee. Coffee mix kiya and stir it and the coffee is ready. No, it's not instant. Take baby steps. Each result will teach you, will motivate you कि yes, ये step लिया था, इसका result ये निकला है. You feel good about yourself. You are motivated, self-motivated, and that's how you should take action. Now, हमारे बापू जी ने ये कहा है कि बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ। ये तभी होगा जब आप अपने आप के ऊपर पूरी तरह से बिलीव करेंगे, भरोसा करेंगे। द वर्ल्ड मेक्स वे फॉर दोज हु बिलीव इन देमसेल्व्स, राइट? तो सबसे पहले आपको अपने ऊपर आत्मविश्वास होना जरूरी है कि यस आई कैन डू इट एंड आई विल डू इट, राइट? बिकॉज you are the cause of change, because you connect with your own capacity, because you know your capacity. आपके ड्रीम्स, आपकी कैपेसिटी, आपका विजन, आपके गोल्स, आपकी काबिलियत, सब आप जानते हो। इट्स यू आर दैट सीड ऑफ चेंज। वो जो बीज है वो हमारे अंदर है, जिसको हमें जर्मिनेट करना है, जिसको हमें बाहर निकालना है, जिसको हमें बड़ा करना है, एक बड़ा रूप देना है। वो सब आपके पास है। That's you. You have it in you. You don't have to borrow it from somewhere, right? It's within yourself. But only if you believe it. Some people say, नहीं, हमसे नहीं हो पाएगा। क्यों नहीं हो पाएगा? ये सब आपके अंदर है, so you have to believe in yourself, start taking action. उसके लिए you have to identify yourself with your passions and aspirations. कई बार ऐसा हो सकता है कि कुछ साल आपने वो डिसीजन नहीं लिया या नहीं ले सके कुछ कारणों से, लेकिन you have aspired to do that. You have that passion in you, right? So know yourself कि yes, believe in yourself. Yes, I can do it. So उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा आपको? A very simple prescription I have given you. Have an appointment with yourself. What do I mean with that? Appointment, और वो भी अपने आप से नहीं। इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? इसका मतलब ये है कि अपने दिल में, अपने माइंड में, अपने जहन में और झांकिए और ये जानने की कोशिश कीजिए कि मैं किस चीज को मानता हूँ, किस चीज के ऊपर बिलीव करता हूँ, मेरे सपने क्या है, कहाँ तक मुझे पहुंचना है। See, I'm correlating all the points what we have covered. So only if you have an appointment, only when you sit down quietly and think about yourself, take charge of your life, you can do it. Set few minutes aside daily and use them for active and productive reflection. What we do nowadays, the minute we get time, Insta पे क्या नया आया है, फेसबुक पे किसी का स्टेटस क्या है, या फिर ग्रुप मैसेजेस में people keep bombarding you with the messages and you want to see every message, you want to reply to every message. I don't think that is necessary. अपने ऊपर ध्यान डालिए, अपने साथ टाइम बिताइए and focus on yourself, what you want to do, what activities you want to do for yourself, right? This is very, very important. Then okay, आपने करना शुरू कर दिया, आपने you have started, you are embarking on that path. But कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हम उस अप्रोच को या उस सोच को शायद अच्छी तरह से समझ नहीं सकते, और हो सकता है कि कहीं आपने गलती कर दी हो, आपको लगता हो कि नहीं, शायद this is not working, maybe this is not me, or maybe this doesn't go with me or gel with me. So if the approach is not working, इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि you just give up. उसको छोड़िए, find a new thing, move forward, let it go, and do not carry the emotional baggage कि भाई हमने ये किया था और वो नहीं चला या नहीं हो सका. Maybe that was not the right thing for you, that was not meant to be. So don't get disheartened, don't lose your mind, just do the new things and move on. But move on के साथ अगर आपने move on कर लिया है तो आपको consistent भी रहना होगा. ये नहीं कि आज move on कर लिया है, okay, few days, few months, few years, no, I'm going to change this now, this doesn't work. No, once you are sure about yourself, once you know your passions, once you know your aspirations, once you know about your vision and value and missions and goals, be consistent, stick to it, right? Staying consistent and pushing through continuously. It's a continuous process, not an instant process. So there's a quote here again: until you work as hard as those you admire, don't explain away their success as just luck. Don't say they were lucky, they are born lucky. No, it's nothing of that sort. It's hard work, You have to be consistent. You have to take action. You have to move on if that doesn't work. So this is very important to be consistent in what you do. Right? Consistent के बाद है डिसिप्लिन. जब डिसिप्लिन नहीं है जिंदगी में तो वो इंसान कभी भी आगे नहीं बढ़ सकता है. सो अगर हम डिसिप्लिन हैं तो we come out with our best version, the best self, because we are disciplined, and it shows results. It helps you to improve yourself daily. आप आज से कल आपका बेहतर है, कल से उसके बाद वाला दिन आपका बेहतर है. So this is what it happens. It helps you stay focused on your goals because you're disciplined. You're doing things continuously, right? So be disciplined. Very simple points. Cultivate a champion mindset. You have to be a champion. Reconnect with your strengths, your passion, and your ambition, and cement those into your mindset. Believe you're capable to be great. जैसे कि मैंने वो गांधी जी के बारे में आपको बताया था एक स्लाइड में कि believe in yourself. So believe that you are capable to be great. Why not? Visualize yourself in your greatest form. And again, there's a quote: have pride in yourself and know you could not have done anything more at that point of time. So this is very important. तो आपका जो mindset है, आपका यही रहना चाहिए कि मुझे चैंपियन बनना है, मुझे एक मीडियोकर नहीं बनना है. I want to be a champion. If you have that mindset, you will go ahead. Then be of service to others. What do I mean by that? Be of service to others. हम तो अपने बारे में बात कर रहे हैं ना कि हमको गुड से ग्रेट बनना है, लेकिन गुड टू ग्रेट अगर आप सिर्फ अपने लिए बनते हैं, सिर्फ अपने लिए जिंदगी जीते हैं, तो वो भी जिंदगी क्या जिंदगी है? It's nothing of that sort. When you are doing great things, when you're on that path, तो आपको अपने साथ अपनी टीम को अपने अपने साथ लोगों को लेके चलना है, समाज को लेके चलना है. अगर आप अकेले उस जर्नी पर जाके अकेले खड़े हो जाते हैं, so that is not greatness. Greatness is sharing. It is caring. So serve others with your talents and resources ताकि जो less privileged हैं उनके लिए आप एक source बन सके. That's more important. Just doing things for yourself कर सकते हैं, हर कोई करता है. That is, I feel it is selfish. Do something for people. Think of Mother Teresa. Think of many great people, who have given their lives to serve the people and the society. It makes a good person a great person only if you are in service to others, if you give service to others. So do that for the society. We have great clubs, we have Rotary clubs, we have Lions Club, we have so many organizations. इतनी संस्थाएं हैं, आप किसी के साथ भी जुड़ सकते हैं. अगर संस्था के साथ नहीं जुड़ना है तो इंडिविजुअली भी सागर में एक एक बूंद भी बहुत मायना रखती है. एक एक बूंद से ही सागर बनता है. So it's not necessary that you have to join an institution to give your contribution or do your bit. You can do it individually also. So greatness which only serves you is empty. उसका कोई मतलब नहीं है कि आपने एक पदवी हासिल कर ली है अपने दिमाग में socially कि yes, you are a great person, but what have you done for others? You have to take other people along with you in that journey. Give your best shot. Unleash your potential. Spend more time doing the things that make you strong. This builds energy and momentum, and that's how you grow great. In the end, I will tell you, inspire others to take risks, push their boundaries along with your boundaries, and become greater than they ever thought they could be. ये कहा हुआ है एडम ब्राउन ने, जिन्होंने एक पेंसिल ऑफ प्रॉमिस के फाउंडर है. He's an entrepreneur, he's an author, he's a great person. That's what he said. Inspire others to take risks. So with this, I will, end my talk about good to great, because these are very, very small things. देखने जाए तो, I've not used the jargon words or, the great philosophies. It's just very simple. Believe in yourself, take action, take pride in yourself. आप किस में best हो करना शुरू करिए. Take baby steps and you will reach to a great person. You'll become a great person. That's how you achieve greatness. So with this, I take leave. Thank you so much for inviting me here. I hope you just like those points and you love the topic. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, Kanchanji. I just would like to request you to stop the screen share. Uh, So thank you very much, Kanchanji. It was a wonderful session. I personally really enjoyed it. And out of the entire step-by-step process that you took us through, one thing which has impressed me a lot was the point where you said that, take your skills to the place where it gives the best impact, you know so you talked about that, how one should take or one should go to a place where their skills can be best utilized. So मेरा ये ऑब्जर्वेशन रहा है कि आज के जनरेशन में या अभी जितने भी लोग हैं, they always have been taught about sharpening their skills, right? कि आप स्किल शार्प करो, बट अगर उसको आप सही एनवायरनमेंट में, सही लोगों के बीच में और सही काम पे नहीं लगा पाते हो, तो आप चाहे कितना भी स्किल शार्प किए हुए हो, it is not going to have any impact. So today, one of the biggest learning that we had is that you need not to only sharpen your skill, but you are supposed to take your skills to a platform in an environment where it gives the best impact. So this is I think one of the best thing that has happened. And I just would like to share with all our viewers that due to technical glitch, we haven't gone live today, but this session is being recorded, edited, and will be uploaded in some times from now. And in a day, every third day till 31st of December, we are going to come up with such sessions. So today's session was from Kanchanji, and इसके बाद वाला जो सेशन है, नेक्स्ट सेशन, वो जो है that will come on the 7th of November. So see you then. And Kanchanji, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका.
Thank you.
Really enlightened us today in the subject of good to great. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you for giving me this chance. Yes, thank you.